Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I decided to just take a break from synthetics. If you've been watching the crypto market, you already know what has been happening concerning Bitcoin and all the other cryptos. But I've been mainly focusing on Bitcoin, and it happened to drop below the $30,000 mark that had been defended so vigorously by bulls, and it was time for me to get in. So I've just been getting in and getting out, just scalping BTC. Same stuff that you use to trade synthetic indices, to trade forex, is basically the same approaches that you can use to trade these cryptos, especially considering that with my broker you can trade forex, indices, crypto, everything with my broker. And when we're talking about trading crypto, what we are saying basically is that you are not buying and holding the actual crypto, but you are almost like you are betting on the price of crypto going down or going up. That's what we mean when we say to trade crypto. So that's what I've been doing today. Today I took a step back from synthetic just to jumping into the volatility that was generated by BTC, Bitcoin. So yeah, I think it also bodes with what I always tell people: to be flexible, be a flexible trader, be able to spot opportunities in the market and go where the opportunities are. If you're struggling with forex, how about you shift to trading synthetic indices? If you're struggling with synthetic indices, how about you go and test and try crypto? If you're struggling with crypto, how about you go to the normal indices? How about you find NFTs? How about you find something else? Or be fluid. People struggle with forex for many years and they're just stuck on trying forex, and probably it's not working for them. But you find that that person maybe joins the crypto market and that person is able to make money, or they're able to make money with synthetic indices. So always be flexible and always be able to spot an opportunity. Go to where the opportunities are, especially if you are struggling with anything. Okay, so yeah, this is just me. I will close some trades, but same deal that I always use with synthetics. You go in hard at this first level, and after that, you just close out some of your trades, and yeah, whatever happens, whatever happens. I am not holding these cryptos for long because it's just chaos in the markets at the moment. If it was a normal market, then probably I was going to hold them from zone to zone. But for now, I'm just trading it as we go. The same with forex. Everything has just been chaos after the Fed announcements last week. So yeah, I've just been doing some short-term trades, and so far it has been okay. Okay, so if you're new on this channel, don't forget to like the video so that you do not miss future videos. By liking the video, so you make sure that I'm motivated to continue sharing this knowledge with you for free. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. So go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. If you're looking to download forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Otherwise, the broker that I use to trade both forex indices as well as crypto, the link is in the description box below there for a wide array of cryptos that you can actually trade. And for $5, you can actually open a real trading account. I know people love demo and stuff, but for just $5, you can test your robots, your strategies, your concepts in a real account, real market conditions. So go ahead and sign up with them. The link is in the description box below. Guys, if you have any thoughts, questions, anything that you want me to answer on, or anything that you need help with, This channel is to help one another, so leave those questions in the description box below, whether it's crypto, whether it's forex, whether it's synthetic indices, your movement crash, your volatility 75, everything that you can think of. Leave it in the comment section below. Until next time, music.
All the demons quiet, yeah, we were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? 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 Then will you get bored?